Good. So we're back at it. Today I'm gonna present you a really useful Rainmeter widget that I've just created because I had this problem. I wanted to know my current views and subscribers in real time and couldn't really found a solution for that. So I created this Rainmeter widget in which, as you can see, you're gonna display the title of your YouTube channel, the number of total videos you have, the views with a nice icon, and the subscribers also with a nice icon. So let's get started. The first thing, the things you're gonna need to install. Of course, you're gonna need to install Rainmeter. How do you install Rainmeter? You just go on rainmeter.net and click download. You're gonna download and then continue with the next step. Okay, the next step is my widget is using the Rainmeter JSON parser. So for this widget to work, you're gonna need to install this as well. How do you install it? Well, you go on GitHub, search Rainmeter JSON parser, and then go on the Releases tab and download this one, JSON parser. You just click on it and you download it. After that, you unzip it. It's gonna be in a zip file. You unzip it and get this JSON parser.dll. Okay. What do you do with this? Firstly, if you already installed Rainmeter, as I told you, you're gonna go to this path. The path is your ape data folder in roaming Rainmeter plugins. So on the folder with the installation of your Rainmeter in the plugins folder. Let's go to show you. We're just gonna search here in the roaming folder Rainmeter. Rainmeter right here. Then go on plugins and you're just gonna drag and drop this. I already have it. I'm gonna put it as rewrite and just cancel it because I don't wanna solve this problem right now, but I already have it as you see. Good. The next step. Now for how how is the widget working? The widget is working by calling the YouTube API and getting the information from there directly. For you to use the YouTube API, you're gonna need some things. You're gonna need to go on cloud.google.com and log in with your YouTube account. So the email your YouTube account is on, you're gonna need to use that email to log in on Google account. And then go here, press that, and search for API and services. Of course, nothing from here will be visible to you if you haven't made a project. So firstly, you're gonna have to or make a project or use a currently available one. So if you already made an account and made a project, you can use one of those if you really want, or make a separate one like me. Then, after you selected your project, go on and search for API and services. Click on it. After you clicked on it, it's gonna show you this. Good. Now click on library. Library, it's the library of all the APIs you can activate. And search YouTube and the YouTube Data API v3. This is the one we want. So we're gonna click on it, and mine is already enabled, but you're gonna press a button with the text enabled. Good, very easy. Then we're gonna go back to API and services and at credentials, click create credentials and API key. Very important. You want an API key, you don't want an OAuth client ID, you want an API key. Click create API key. We're gonna wait for a bit. It's gonna make our API key just like this, and you're gonna copy it. Good, very good. Now you need a second thing for this widget to work. It's your channel ID. Right now, YouTube doesn't use channel IDs anymore for your channel if you already set a shorten like this. So how do you find your channel ID if your channel URL looks like this? Firstly, you're gonna go on your channel, on more right here, and here is the panel with all the information. Good. Now you're gonna click share channel and copy channel ID. This is gonna copy your channel ID. This is my channel ID. Yours will gonna be different. Good. And then very easily Good. So now your next step, you just gotta download the widget from the descriptions that I left you, and then go to this path. You're gonna need to go to your users, your username. Mine it's on OneDrive, but yours will be right here on documents. Documents. Right here, you're gonna search for the Rainmeter folder. Rainmeter right here. And you'll have skins. Right here, skins. Good. Now, you're gonna make a new folder named YouTube or whatever you like. I already created mine. And then you just got gonna put YouTube channel stats ini right here. Just copy and paste. Don't worry about these ones yet. This one is gonna be in the description as well. These are the icons, the subs PNG and the views PNG. This is what we're gonna use to show it in the widgets. Good. Now let's go into the YouTube channel stats. Here, as you see, this is a copy of mine, so I'm not gonna divulge my YouTube API key. And we're gonna pass the channel ID right here. Mine is this, already put here, and the API key right here. Good. Well, if you really want to know, I'll just explain real fast what everything in here does. Here it says how often it should update. It updates every 5 seconds. You're gonna display accurate text and dynamic window size 1. Boom, here good. Now here are the variables: channel ID, YouTube API key, the colors, so you can easily change them if you want. The fonts I'm using JetBrains Mono, the padding and the scale. The scale is how big you want it to be. Good, the main background, the theater ground, views background, and subs background. These are the these are the backgrounds as I just mentioned. The black one, the gray one, transparent, the blue, and the red. Very simple right there. And it's mostly about their sizes. They're scalar made, so if you want to make it bigger, they'll scale with that. With no need to intervene. And then the magic of the widget, the API data measures, measure channel data. This makes the this makes the request getting all the JSON. Good. And then we're gonna split that JSON into some subcategories. The title, as you can see, the title right here. Then the video counts right here, 4 videos. Measure video count, view count, sub count, and the profile image URL. At the time, the profile I didn't get it to work. Uh, Maybe in the future we'll see. I'll leave it here. If you want it, you can remove it. Measure download profile image, same thing. Measure view formatted. Well, if you have like let's say 1 billion views, there are too many zeros to display on your desktop. So I made it in such a way, if you hit 1 billion videos, let's hope for that, it's automatically converted to, instead of 1 and how many zeros there are, into 1 billion. Very easy, very easy to understand. With the same thing for the subs, of course. Then this is the displays. This is where they're positioned, what their content is, and everything. Here is the we're accessing the values, as I'm saying. All the values are right here. Everything is open to you. You can modify it how you want, share it back, tell me about something you want to modify. We'll do it in the future. And this is how it's supposed to look. Let's activate it. Right now, I have the old one, mine, activated. Let's unload it and load this one. It should work, but it doesn't. Now it works. You had to refresh it. It's because I had an old API key in it. That's why. Now it works perfectly. If you encounter any problems, you can let me know in the comment section. Or if you want other stuff like this, in the future I will keep posting about stuff I make, stuff that interests me, and pro probably things in AI, as I'm interested in that. So see you next time.